Alright, so today I'm going to the Indiana Sate Fair. There should be 4 credits there. So I'll try and get all 4. And on the way to making Shivering Timbers tomorrow, my 73rd on the year and 146th overall, I believe. And that would effectively double my count from last year. Alright, so I'm at the Indiana Sate Fair. Gonna try and get the credits here and probably leave. So far I'm pretty impressed with it. It's quite nice. Looks like there's a lot to do here. And everything's on a stick. Reminds me of one scene from Rick and Morty, kinda.
Everything's on a cob! The whole planet's on a cob! Go! Go! Go!
Alright, so the 3 main credits are here. The Crazy Mouse, Cyclone, and the Wacky Worm.
Just have fun.
I'm now looking for the 4th one here because I was told there's 4, and let's see if I can even find it. I'll not leave until I find it. Alright, so I was able to get 3 out of the 4 credits done. The Dragon Express / Dragon Wagon, whatever it's called, was down for the day. It was down. They were still working on it when I left. So only did 3 out of 4, and looks like I'll have to get Thunderhawk or the SVF Visa at Craig Cruisers in Grand Rapids before I go to Michigan's Adventure and ride Shivering Timbers for my 73rd on the year, which would effectively double the amount of credits I had last year.
Several days later.
Alright, so I'm going to Michigan's Adventure today, but first I really need to clean my windshield. It's really bad, really dirty. Can't really see it, but it's visibly dirty in the sun. It's almost dangerous. So that's gonna add a lot of time to my drive time, and we'll see if I make it. Hopefully Shivering Timbers is open to make it my 73rd on the year. I really want to see that, but with my luck it probably won't. So alright, so I made it to Michigan's Adventure. I did see Shivering Timbers go. I have yet to see Thunderhawk go. I need that credit before I make Shivering Timbers my 73rd on the year, effectively doubling my count from last year. So let's hope I can do it. And operations here are really pretty poor, but the lake here is nice. Thunderhawk's running, that's good. It's a real good sign. Maybe I will make it after all. Actually kind of good for an SLC. It's probably the only one I'd actually re-ride willingly. Not to give it another try or anything like that. I'll actually do it because that thing's actually pretty good. I think it's actually the second best one here I've done. The best I've done. I haven't done Timbers yet. I'm going there right now, but it's probably the second best coaster here. Alright, I'll end the day at Michigan's Adventure. Yeah, 6 rides on Shivering Timbers. It's well worth the hype and the wait. Operations could still be improved. I did have to get a Vaseline, but it's still worth it in my opinion. I just views on Shivering Timbers. This park is actually not horrible. It's landscaped pretty well. It just needs some general improvements and a little love from Cedar Fair, and it'll be fantastic. Just that random SVF Visa. And they have the lights out for it, so I don't know how often they do that, even if it's a rare credit or not. But across the credit, I didn't know and out and headed home. Michigan's Adventure 2 was a success. Significantly better visit than last time. I don't know if it's because I wasn't line cut a lot or timbers is open, actually. But I enjoy my visit nevertheless. It's actually kind of good.